of the National Working Committee, we are all here and we are ready to assist you. We are ready to provide an enabling environment. We are ready to do all what we must do to ensure that you succeed in this election. Our National Working Committee has introduced some new reforms which we would like you to cooperate with us. We introduce e-registration of our members.
National Chairman, sir, you are conversant with the politics of Imo State. You have visited Imo State on several occasions, on one party assignment or the other. You will agree with me that the Imo State you are used to is no longer the same. There is an incremental awareness and growth in our membership as a party. And our people have got into the party as the party to be in the state.